In this video, we will set up the membership categories for your centre. In links, the membership categories define the payment rules for the membership types, the direct debit frequency, and the direct debit start date and collection days. Your links administrator and membership manager should be present for this training. To set up membership categories for your centre, go to the admin module and select memberships/VPs, membership, categories. Most centres will require a direct debit membership category and an upfront membership category. Click Add New. Start by giving the category a code and description and add any comments if needed. Select whether memberships in this category will be direct debit or upfront payment. If this category will be an upfront payment category, after putting in the code and description, you can simply click OK. If this will be a direct debit category, we also need to fill in the details under the direct debit tab. Select the start date for the direct debit. It is best to select a date at least one period before you actually intend to start debiting customers, as the first direct debit run will be processed as a dummy run. Define how often the direct debit will be run by using the drop-down menu to select day, week or month, then adding the number beforehand. For example, entering 2 weeks will set the direct debit to run fortnightly. Click Refresh to see a list of the direct debit dates for the next 12 months. If using integrated payments, select the start date for direct debits in the integrated payments module. Minimum days allowed to process as a separate direct debit run. This number represents the number of days before the direct debit day that the customer is expected to pay for the next period. For example, if we set this to 5 days and the direct debit runs on the first day of each month, if a member joins on the 28th of June, they will need to pay pro rata to cover until the 1st of July, as well as paying for the July debit up front. They will then have their first direct debit processed on the 1st of August. You are able to add membership types directly to the membership category from the Types tab. Select Add/Transfer Type to bring up a list of memberships. You can also tick Select Membership Types Only that have not been assigned a category if you want to avoid transferring a type that has already been assigned to a category. Select the membership types to add to this category. You can also set the status of individual membership types here. Set to Inactive will mean any members currently on this membership type will be able to keep their membership, but it will not be available to sell to new customers. You can only set a membership type to Closed if there are no current or future contracts for this type. Once you've entered the relevant details, click OK. Just like membership types, you can make a membership category inactive if it is no longer to be used. Select the membership category and click Properties. Under the status, select Set to Inactive if there are still current contracts in this category, or Set to Closed if there are no longer any current or future contracts in this category. This will stop any new memberships being added to this category. Click OK. You are also able to delete a membership category if no memberships from that category have been sold. If you need to delete a category where memberships have been sold, you will need to transfer the membership types under that category to another category in order to be able to delete the category itself. Once you have moved the membership types out of the category, or if you have not sold any memberships in that category, select Delete. Click OK. In the next video, we will set up the individual membership types for sale at your centre.